Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming platform and version. This matters because menus differ. Open the Settings app, then navigate to Shortcuts or Notifications, go straight to the specific app entry. If the Shortcuts app requests permission to send notifications, tap to view options, make sure you can modify them. Once done, locate the banner, then tap the notification type to reveal controls. Don't skip granting temporary access. It lets you see all toggles and prevents confusion when you change visibility or sound. You now adjust the key controls. Toggle Allow Notifications off to stop everything, or choose Deliver quietly to hide banners and sounds while still logging alerts. Next, refine banner style and disable sounds and badges if you need minimal disruption. If you prefer partial alerts, reduce access on Lock Screen and Notification Center. Once done, consider using a focus profile or schedule so shortcuts only notify during specific hours. This prevents future interruptions without deleting functionality entirely. You finish by confirming changes with a test, trigger the shortcut, or send a test notification to verify behavior. If alerts persist, briefly re-enable notifications and then turn them off again. This can reset system handling. Also clear app cache or restart the device to remove stale settings. If problems continue, inspect shortcut automations and app permissions. Some automations re-enable notifications or use alternate channels. One troubleshooting tip: if sounds remain, check system level Do Not Disturb and focus exemptions to ensure nothing overrides your preference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.